Hello. Are you so overwhelmed with your clutter that you don't know where to start? I'm going to encourage you. I've been encouraging you to throw away 5 things, but maybe that's too much for you. Can you throw away or give away one thing a day for 5 consecutive days? That will be 5 things. So every day in your zone, and I work zones, if you don't know what those are, watch my How to Do the FlyLady system for newbies. Throw away one or give away one thing when you're decluttering. That will help you. And that's where you start. Always start with the zones. And when you're decluttering, always start with one small space. And that's going to keep you from being overwhelmed. The thing that happens when you are decluttering and you are overwhelmed is that you see all the stuff that you have to do and it's too much. I want you to learn to say a new thing, and that is, I see you and I have a plan for you, and put it on your to-do list and get it out of your head. These are the tips that I have for you to get started and get unstuck. Make it a great day.